What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic chicken salad recipe. It's super easy to make. Chicken salad's great on sandwiches, it's great on top of a salad. It's super versatile and it only takes a few minutes to throw together. You're going to need to start with some cooked chicken breasts. You're going to need about 2.5 cups of cooked chicken, which is about 2 cooked breasts. You can cook the chicken any way you like. You could poach it, you could grill it, you can bake it. I've grilled my chicken breast here, and so I'm just gonna take my cooked chicken breasts and cut it into cubes. Chicken salad is a great way to use up chicken leftovers. Maybe you got like a rotisserie chicken or roasted a whole chicken, and so chicken salad is a good way to use up that chicken the next day when it's cold. And so I'm just gonna cut my chicken into cubes. Next, I'm gonna grab a decent sized mixing bowl, and to that, I'm gonna add my mayonnaise. We've got our OG Primal Kitchen Mayo, just the original, made with avocado oil. And I'm not gonna measure it out, but you want about a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of lemon juice. I've got just a whole lemon here. I'm gonna squeeze about a teaspoon of lemon juice. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I didn't have any Dijon, so I'm gonna use the spicy brown today. It's only a teaspoon, so I don't think it's gonna make a huge difference, but a teaspoon of mustard. Then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just going to mix that together first. Just get it sort of combined. Just like that. Then I'm gonna add my 2.5 cups of cooked chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of diced onion, 2 tablespoons of diced celery, and then just a teaspoon of parsley. Then I'm just gonna mix this all together with a big wooden spoon, and that is pretty much it. Super simple. And there you go. It only took me a couple minutes to put together a classic chicken salad. If it was me, I'd probably just eat it as is on its own. That's kind of my style, but you could also make a chicken salad sandwich. I've got some base culture paleo and keto bread that I've made a sandwich with. You could throw it on top of a salad. You could throw it into a lettuce wrap or some other kind of wrap, but very easy to make, very versatile. I've got my son, Kobe, here. Do you want to taste test some of our chicken salad? You want to taste it? Is it good? He says it's good, so it must be a winner. And if you want to pick up any of the Primal Kitchen Mayo or any other Primal Kitchen product, you can get them all at primalkitchen.com. If you use the code HELLO20, you'll get 20% off your entire order. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.